Hello. In today's video, we're diving deeper into how artificial intelligence and machine learning are reshaping the world of business, operations, and innovation. Whether you're leading a team, managing a startup, or scaling a company, understanding these concepts is essential to stay ahead. Traditionally, businesses relied on experts to encode rules into software, fixed instructions for every scenario. But as processes and customer behavior evolve, maintaining these rules is hard, costly, and often too slow. Machine learning changes everything. Instead of manually updating logic, algorithms learn directly from your data and adapt over time, keeping up with market dynamics, operational shifts, and external threats. Let's use an everyday example. Email filtering. Old systems flagged spam based on static rules. Modern filters use learning models that spot new spam patterns automatically, stopping unwanted emails without the need for constant human intervention. Imagine applying this principle to sales, customer support, logistics, finance, and beyond. How does machine learning work in practice? A machine learning workflow begins by collecting data: customer interactions, product sales, sensor readings, support tickets, or other relevant information. The next step is to pre-process and clean the data to ensure quality and consistency. This might involve removing duplicates, handling missing values, or normalizing entries. Feature engineering comes next, identifying and crafting attributes most relevant to your business challenge. For instance, total purchase value, frequency of support requests, or customer location. After preparing your dataset, you'll select an appropriate model. Classification: does this email belong to a certain category? Regression: how much will a customer likely spend next month? Clustering: which segments or patterns exist in the data? Recommendation: what products might this user prefer? Training the model involves showing it thousands of examples and letting it find patterns, connections between the inputs and desired outputs. Through validation and testing, you check whether the model can accurately generalize to new, unseen situations rather than simply memorizing the past. Three key types of machine learning, with business examples: supervised learning. Imagine a retail chain with historical sales and customer feedback. By feeding labeled data, purchased versus not purchased, positive review versus negative review, supervised models can forecast future demand, automate quality control, or predict which prospects are likely to convert. Unsupervised learning. Suppose you have a vast data set of transactions without clear labels. Unsupervised learning groups these based on hidden patterns, revealing market segments, unusual spending, or operational bottlenecks. It's invaluable for customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and exploratory analysis. Reinforcement learning. Picture an autonomous warehouse system optimizing robot movements. Reinforcement learning algorithms try different routes, learning from each attempt and improving efficiency based on successes and failures. In finance, these algorithms can continuously adapt trading strategies. In real estate, optimize pricing, and in HR, improve resource allocation. Overcoming common challenges. Data quality. Poor or unbalanced data sets may lead to unreliable models. Invest time in proper data collection, variety, and cleaning. Bias and fairness. Models trained on biased data can perpetuate mistakes. Regular audits and fairness metrics are critical, especially when decisions impact people. Scaling and integration. Moving pilot projects to production involves scalability, cybersecurity, integration with legacy systems, and compliance. Case studies that inspire action: e-commerce, leveraging ML for personalized recommendations, stock optimization, and dynamic pricing. leading to higher conversion rates and reduced inventory costs. Healthcare, automating diagnostics through image analysis and early anomaly detection, facilitating faster, more reliable medical decision making. Finance, advanced fraud detection learns from evolving tactics, while predictive analytics help companies evaluate risk, optimize investments, and meet regulatory demands. Manufacturing and logistics, predictive maintenance prevents costly downtime, and smart routing reduces delivery times. Best practices for successful adoption. Start small, think big. Pilot a proof of concept to validate impact, then scale systematically. Cross-functional teams. Combine technical talent with domain experts to bridge gaps between data and business goals. Continuous learning. As data evolves, so must your models. Plan for regular updates and ongoing monitoring. Explainability. Make sure decisions made by models are interpretable, crucial for trust, regulatory compliance, and user adoption. The future. AI-driven transformation. Machine learning isn't just a tool, it's becoming a strategic advantage. Companies adopting AI are building more resilient operations, uncovering novel opportunities, and reacting faster to changes. Imagine voice assistants delivering instant support, predictive engines scheduling maintenance before issues arise, and intelligent platforms connecting buyers and sellers in entirely new ways. Final thoughts and call to action. Integrating machine learning can seem complex, but the business benefits are real and accessible. With the right strategy, organizations can harness data to unlock efficiency, innovation, and growth. If you're curious about taking practical steps, exploring tailored solutions, or want to learn from industry leaders, stay tuned for more content. Leave your questions, challenges, and success stories in the comments. We're here to foster understanding and drive progress together.